The first and the most important thing is respect the food that you have on your table. We usually don't do that. I am telling you my story in my. Hi everyone, I hope you guys are all okay. My name is Piyasha and welcome to our channel Generation Talks. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about my lockdown realization. I hope you guys can relate with my points, and so don't do any further delay. Let's get into the video. The first and the most important thing is respect the food that you have on your table. We usually don't do that. I am telling you my story. In my childhood, I always tell my mom that I don't wanna eat this, I don't wanna eat that, and my mom used to tell me that one day you realize the importance of food. And now I truly realize that. I have seen so many people outside, they are crazy, they are mad to get one time meal because of this lockdown. And I have realized the importance of food in our life. If you have one bowl of rice and dal, eat them with gratitude, because what you have on your table right now, some people are dreaming about that. So don't complain about your food to anyone, to anywhere. Your food seems like very simple, but it is a dream for someone else. So respect your food. Okay. The second one is be kind to nature. See what is happening outside. We, the people, going here and there, putting oxygen cylinder on our shoulder or our hand, because there is lack of oxygen. Please be a responsible citizen. If you cut tree because of your necessity, please plant trees. Okay, don't cut trees unnecessarily, because one tree can gives us the amount of oxygen which is can save life about 4 peoples. So please don't cut trees. Be kind with nature. Be kind with every animal and everything that nature holds. Okay, because when nature shows its real face, we can't able to handle it. I see so many videos where people getting so furious about animals. Please don't do that. Okay, and whatever it's happened, it's like our karmas, that people wearing masks, people don't meet their loved one. Be a responsible citizen and be kind with nature. Be your best friend. I have told this in my previous videos also, because I know the importance of that thing. And there are certain times where I got so demotivated, where I feel so low, there is no one to support me. I become the one. And trust me, if you practice this, no one can hurt you. Okay, so be your good friend, be your best friends, understand your emotions, understand your pain, and it will help you. Because we have spent 1.5 years in the lockdown period, and it's very tough to meet someone who can heal our pain. So instead of depending another person, be your best friend. Nothing is more important than being alive. If you are watching this video, then you have to show gratitude towards God, because I have seen so many people lost their loved one in this pandemic situation. And if you are alive, then you are luckiest one. We all consider ourselves luckiest person, because I have realized that being alive is the most important thing in our life. Having no money, having no cars, having not expensive phones is the material stuff. The people who usually tell that they hasn't any talent, they are also has some beautiful talents. Everyone has talent, and yeah, this is the most favorite point in my today's video, because I have seen so many people who are busy with cooking, some are good at drawing, some are good at dancing, and I discovered that I started my YouTube channel in the lockdown period. So yeah, if lockdown has so many bad negative side, but it has a positive side also, because somewhere we forget our passions, our hobbies, but this lockdown brings our passion back in our life, right? So if you are agree with me, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, so if you discovered your talent, please comment me in the comment section. Okay, and yes, I am eagerly waiting for your comments. So yeah, everyone has talent. So guys, that's all for today. I will back soon with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. And if you like my video, please do like and subscribe and stay tuned with me. Okay, bye.